Hello there, this is Ronin LOCKLEAR from Toolsengg.com. We are the global leader in specialized cutting tools manufacturing. Designing of the cutting tool is done as per customer requirement. We submit our drawing to the customer for approval before issuing to the production line, as to avoid any confusion in tolerances and dimensions. This is our standard modus operandi. After the drawing is issued to the production line, the carbide rod is cut with one of our many baincut machines for a perfect cut of the carbide tool. Precision starts from the very beginning of the manufacturing process. This process enables us to ensure a uniform cut of each single carbide blank. We have top-of-the-line induction brazing equipments for the high-demanding requirements of our production line. As you can see in this video, our operator is induction brazing a button on the cut carbide blank to send to the next operation of cylindrical grinding. Our staff in the production line are trained both on the job and with separate off-class coaching for a smooth error-free production of our cutting tools. We manufacture various brazed and lugged tools for our customers around the world. Cylindrical grinding is done to get the size of the cutting tool as per drawing requirements. After this process is done, the cutting tool is sent to the next process of CNC tool and cutter machining. All our shanks are maintained as per prescribed tolerances. Now we move on to CNC tool and cutter machining for fluting and final machining processes. Our trained operator gets to see the 3D output of the cutting tool before the machining process even begins. This is to double-check the entire workflow. If any minor changes need to be made in the grinding wheel path, that can be made as well. The focus on these operators are our manufacturing strength. Our operating procedure and training stand as pillars of strength for continuous success of our manufactured cutting tools. The repeatability of our cutting tool dimensions are attributed to our centralized coolant management system that removes all burr and dust from the coolant to enable a 1 micron repeatability of cutting tool tolerances. We have enough surface grinding machines, turning centers and vertical machining centers to cater to all machining processes on our shop floor. Considering the increase in orders, we are constantly increasing our capacity and run the production line 24/7. After all the machining processes are done, we are left with our inspection process with proper report making for all the dimensions in our cutting tool, as per the customer-approved drawing. Our inspection is done through Rapid Eye, a vision inspection system. The machine consists of a precision XY workstage on which the component to be measured is placed. A high-precision zoom optical system combined with a digital camera is fitted on a movable Z-axis. This allows for adjustable focusing of various components and even extends to non-destructive measurements of depth and height. All axes are motorized and operated with joystick or manually. Magnifications in the range up to 67x allows for varied requirements to be easily accommodated. After the inspection and reports are done, next comes the laser marking process, where the part number and the TE logo is marked on our cutting tool. Next comes the boxing and packing of the goods to your destination country right to your doorstep. We ship our cutting tools worldwide. Thank you for watching our video. You can send us your inquiry to our email address at info.toolsengg@gmail.com. Any questions and special requests, do contact us for an immediate response. Have a wonderful day.